How interactive whiteboard changed your classroom? Let's learn part 2 today. With different kinds of measuring tools, such as ruler, protractor, divider, you can make your math presentation become easier. Quickly build your presentation sheet, make all data become clear and understandable. Curtain function, cover your contents, make your classroom with more imagination and fun. Spotlight function, build your interesting classroom game with that. We are Riotouch, focusing on smart interactive whiteboard. Contact us to learn more now.